Her name is Daisy Ejang. She's live and direct on the show. Tomorrow she has a gig, especially those that support her music and her career. She's inviting every one of you at Gatomato. She will be showcasing her latest gems as well as tracks that she has done before. So make sure you come through and support my girl down there. Welcome to the show. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
And she brings me a gentleman who is coming in from Zimbabwe, and that is in particular Harare. Harare is there, Kampala, yes, and his name is Prince. His other names are Musarura. The name is kind of hard. It's Musarura? Musarura.
The chosen one.
The chosen one. That's what it means. You have another one that has M. Hold on.
Kudakwashe.
Kudakwashe,
God's will.
I mean, you don't have names like Tom, Peter in Zimbabwe?
Yeah, I have an English name. My name is Rogers.
Rogers, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, but you always use the mode squask.
I always use my native.
Welcome to Uganda. It's your first time here?
Yeah, it's my first time.
How do you feel? And how is the weather like? How are the...
Wow, I feel great. No, it's like summer the whole year here.
Yeah. Okay.
The people are nice, very welcoming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so which other parts of Africa have you been to?
I've been to South Africa. I've been to Botswana.
Botswana, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Daisy, why in particular did you have to bring Prince, to help you out tomorrow? To accompany you?
Well, the show is on Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah, then tomorrow.
Oh, I thought today is a Friday. I thought it's a Friday.
Yes.
Okay.
I purposely chose Prince because he has a fresh sound.
Yeah.
It's African jazz, which not very many people do.
Yeah.
And I thought it would be a fresh sound because the first time I saw it, I just fell in love with him.
African jazz. I have a problem with the African genres of music. This is what they call Afro pop. I hear Afrobeat, Afro jazz. But I think Afro jazz is more authentic.
Yes,
Yeah, it's like known globally.
Yes.
Give me what is Afro jazz to someone who's watching TV right now?
Well, I can say Afro jazz is a mixture of African instrument, fusion of African instrument, and Western instruments.
Oh, yeah. I get it. Now you have an instrument down there. You play. I'm told you play several other instruments besides that one.
Yeah.
What's the name of that one?
This one is Mbira. It's called Mbira in my language.
This one is called Mbira.
Yeah, in English it's called African thumb piano.
African thumb piano.
We have like 5 types of this in Zimbabwe.
Wow.
This is a nyunga type of Mbira.
Okay.
We've got Nare.
Okay.
We've got Nikaringos. So many types of.
Did you play these on certain occasions? There are probably instruments for funerals, weddings. You classify them like that?
yeah. Usually it's known for when we're performing our traditional rituals.
Yes.
Usually we play Mbira and African drums.
Oh.
Yeah.
Daisy, are you guys gonna do something before?
It's used to appease the gods. Yeah.
So right now we're gonna play this and appease the gods. Okay, cool. Just before, because I'll ask you to play for me something of the Mbire.
Yeah.
Mbira. Sorry.
Yeah.
We have a tycoon down here called Mbire. So I think my mind went straight into that. Are you guys gonna be doing something together just before you leave?
Yeah. Actually, that's the main purpose I'm here.
Yeah, all right.
We have 2 collabos that we're going to work on before I fly back to Zimbabwe.
But how did you meet? There is
I don't know.
All right. It was funny how we met. A friend of mine came with this video of a very handsome man.
You looked at handsome.
The first time I saw this, I got a crush on this guy. I'm like, no, I need to beat him. But then later on, I listened to his music and it was amazing. And I contacted his management on Facebook.
All right.
And they got back to me, and here we are.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's try and take a listen, you know, what Prince has, you know, in store for us. His music is categorized in Afro jazz mainly. That's what you do.
Yeah.
And let's try and get what he has for us. All right. You know, when you are playing, people might think, I think it's recorded down here. You know, Ugandans, let me hold it. Let me tell them that this thing, you know these guys, they don't just accept. This thing looks like this inside, yeah? It's called Dimbira. Can we have this close up, Irene? It's called Dimbira. It's an instrument that comes in from Zimbabwe. And they have different other... it's a 19-key instrument. Yeah, we have that. Inside it, they are playing, and then you know, it's live stuff. Yeah, it's live stuff. Why did you decide to do this? And you look handsome. You have everything that it takes to do R&B and this other music that, you know, people regard as cool music. Yeah.
No, I've always wanted to do.
Yeah.
Grew up in a family, you know, whereby we're much exposed to the African side of life, you know. So I chose to do the African, you know, swaggerlize African, African music.
Okay. Yeah. I get it. Daisy, what should we expect this Saturday?
Well, this Saturday, all I could say is come watch, come sit. It is going to be explosive.
Wow.
Yeah, and we're going to have Douglas come as well, so yes.
Don't dare do that. But when he was singing, it sounded like it's a language from northern Uganda.
Yeah, you know, I need to be up with it.
Is that like, I think that's like Luo. What's the name of that? What's that language?
Shona.
Shona, yeah?
Yeah.
Shona, is it attached to Luo?
No.
The Luo speaking community?
Not really.
No, we need to go back to history. Probably these languages. These guys must Yeah,
the Bantu people.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, very true.
Yeah, because when he was speaking, you know, it sounded more or less like, you know, something from northern Uganda. No wonder Daisy picked interest in Prince. Prince, which guys do you look up to? Oliver Mtukudzi,
Eric Wainaina.
Wow.
Yeah.
Have you graced any international stages out of Africa?
Yeah, actually I've got three tours lined up.
Wow.
4 or 5 July I'll be in England.
Wow.
And then September Australia, and then Canada, US.
It's good you've come, because I've been always telling Daisy, don't stop, you know, representing your homeland. Yeah?
I've always wanted to come to
the trend down here,
you know,
people want to swaggerlize everything, do dancehall music, this R&B, all this cool music, and I keep telling her, keeps, you know, representing Africa, keep showing what we are made of. Yeah, it will definitely.
See, I go to United States of America. Asha cannot play this.
Yeah, Asha can't do that.
Chris Brown,
Chris Brown can dance, but he can't play that. Yeah,
it's unique.
Wow. Okay, I just have a lot on my head. Daisy, the last time we had Nyateko and what else? Are you back in hiding?
I am not hiding at all.
Yeah.
I have a lot of jams coming up. I have released a few audios.
All right.
But I decided to first throw this party for my fans.
Wow.
It's a give back to my fans.
She has money. She's throwing a party for us, so why not?
No, these guys really support me all the time.
Okay.
So I'm giving back to them. It's a free event. event at Tomato. And after that, we'll be having CDs sold on that day.
Okay.
And after that, we're going to have videos. I'm going to be launching into charity work with a lot of people. So I'm excited.
Okay, cool. And what are your last words you want to leave all the Daisy fans and everyone who's coming down on Saturday?
Well, one thing I'll tell you is stay focused and keep God at the center of the world.
Man, if a woman puts God there, you just run. If you're a man, you just take off. Prince, are you engaged to anybody?
No.
It adds up everything. So all the ladies out there, you know what to do, yeah? Yeah, Ugandan ladies are sharp. they know what to do. What are your last words to the viewers and all your fans that you're trying to
to my fans, I would like to say, keep it real. We are Africans and let's unite. And let's proud to be Africans.
Okay. Who is the president of Zimbabwe?
President Robert Gabriel Mugabe.
Hey, you had to add a Gabriel. I thought she was another person. This is the guy I grew up with. He was president since I was born.
Wow.
I think. Even you.
Yeah.
Even you, yeah?
Yeah.
He was president when you were born.
Yeah.
Up to now. Hopefully, even until you die.
He's a legend.
Yeah, he's a legend.
Great African statesman.
A great African statesman. All right, we have Prince's video. That's what we're gonna sign out with in a bit. This is Daisy. That is Prince from Zimbabwe. Saturday, Gatomato. That's where they're gonna be performing. It's a free event. Yeah, it's a free event. She's just giving back to her fans. You guys supported her while she was in Tusker Project Fam. She started her music career. She's trying to make it big in this game, so she needs all your support. Yeah, come down and support the girl this Saturday. Brian, take it away, bro.
The